Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got an unboxing for you and it is Glossybox. Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box. It is, I want to say like £13. I can't remember how much it is. I'll put it on the screen. I pay for this box myself. I do get Glossybox in PR, but this is not my PR box. This is the one that I pay for myself. I have this one under my maiden name, so I know which one is my PR box and which one is my paid box. My paid box is here and it has arrived. My PR box has yet to. I have a discount code, which I'll put on the screen for you guys. You usually get 5 or 6 beauty products. Generally the box is worth £50 or more. Sometimes it's worth a lot more. There's makeup, there's skincare. You sometimes get little tools. There's lots of different things that you can get in it. Every month I pay for this subscription and I give the box away to one of you guys. I'll talk about the giveaway at the end. But yeah, this is the box. So let's get inside. So we are back to the traditional box, which is pink with the black lettering, really pretty. And then obviously no spoilers. I specifically do not look at the press release so that I don't have spoilers because I like to be surprised. So this is Pretty Pleasures. Those macaroons look amazing. Hey Glossies, this time of year is by far the prettiest. The days are getting warmer, the flowers are beginning to bloom. Everywhere you look there's an array of beautiful pastel colours, and that includes in this month's box. Not only will you find products that make you look and feel fabulous, they'll also be perfectly pleasing sitting on your bathroom shelf. Yeah, so you've got 4 items, and then the 5th item is a lucky dip, and it's there's like 3 different things that you can get, so we'll talk about that when we get to it. So it looks like this. There you go. So the first thing I've got is a So Eco complexion sponge. I got one of these in one of my vegan or cruelty-free beauty boxes recently, which is nice. It's just a makeup sponge, just like a beauty blender, but a cruelty-free one. So Eco complexion sponge, £6. So Eco's complexion sponge evenly blends makeup for a flawless enhanced finish, ultra soft, blah blah blah. We all know how to use one of these. So Eco also does a bit for environment, planting 1 tree for every 100 products sold, so that's really nice. Lovely stuff. The next item is nail varnish, and it is Nails Ink Be Incredible. The colour is Palace Gardens. It kind of matches my hair. Pretty blue. £11. This super glossy, long-lasting, intense colour will look perfectly pretty on your nails. The polish also has a new expertly designed brush, which is exclusive to Nails Ink. And this ensures your polish is easily applied and will create a flawless finish. I'm going to look. I'm not going to use it because it's not for me. But I just want to see what the brush. Oh, the brush looks exactly the same as all the other ones. But yeah, it's a really pretty colour. It's literally the same colour as my hair, so it's nice. The lucky dip item we've got is a Nyx Lip Lingerie in the colour Euro Trash. It looks beautiful. It's a bit glittery. It's got some shimmer in it. Really pretty nudie pink. And it says lucky dip. We know Glossies love their monthly boxes being a surprise, so we're going to do a lucky dip from Nyx, and it could be a product for your lips, maybe the popular lip lingerie, or your face, a highlighter. So you can either get like a little bullet lipstick, a candy stick lip one, a lip lingerie, a highlighter. There's lots of different things that you can get, but this is in my one. It'll be interesting to see what I get in my PR box. Next up I've got Figs and Rouge, and this is a Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix Ultra Prime. I love their packaging. It's always so pretty. Isn't that beautiful? £38, full size. Everything is actually full size, and on there, apart from the Nyx, one of them is a deluxe size, but what we've got is a full size. Satin Soft Blurring Primer, designed to blur and minimise shine. This wonder working primer will keep your skin fresh and flawless ultra pore mineralizing and anti-blemish properties. Skin impurities and breakouts are also reduced. Hyaluronic acid, which is perfectly plumps and maintains moisture, as well as marshmallow root and Arctic cloudberry extract. Yeah, £38. Let's have a look and see what's in that. Ingredients. Just seeing if there's anything, if it's like dimethicone-y. I don't think it is, to be honest. I would have assumed, because it's a blurring one, that it would have been a dimethicone based one, but I can't see it on there, so it's interesting. Then the last thing I've got is a Nourishing Mascara from Botanic Beauty. I've never heard of this brand before. It's really pretty packaging. Isn't that lovely? £15.50. This is full size. Intensely volumizing and nourishing mascara thickens, lengthens and adds curl for bigger, fuller looking lashes. Rich in conditioning ingredients including camellia and almond oil. This mascara also works to strengthen and maximize the length of your lashes. That sounds lovely. So that is the box. This is April sneak peek. Next month, as if we're nearly going to be in April, like this year is just flinging past. Next month we're boxing up the very best of spring, the fresh morning air, the birds singing amongst the blossom. You'll find that very feeling inside your woke up in spring Glossybox. Inside the box you'll also discover a gorgeous eyeshadow palette from the new brand Sophia and Mabel. So that's nice. You can win Glossybox's Golden Egg competition. Want to win a big Easter egg? 50 winners can win a Pandora prize worth £100, as well as a £50 Look Fantastic voucher. And it'll be on their socials as to how to win. But that was the box. I'm going to wrap it all back up and seal it all up so it's ready for whoever wins. Okay, if you want to be in with a chance to win this box, all you need to do is tell me what is your go-to song or songs when you're in a cleaning mood. Like if I'm cleaning, I've had to clean a lot recently because we've just put our house on the market and sold it, so I don't have to clean too much now because it's already sold. But prior to it selling, it was like keeping it clean all the time and tidying. I have to have music on. I cannot clean without music. So in the essence of spring and spring cleaning, tell me your favourite cleaning song. Obviously it doesn't have to be about cleaning, but you know what I mean, like what song keeps you pumped for cleaning. If anyone actually gets pumped for cleaning, I do. I love clean dancing, dancing while I'm cleaning, if that makes sense. Anyway, yeah, I'll leave all the instructions down below for you guys. I will do it as an international giveaway. If someone wins out of the country, I will check with what the rules are regarding a nail varnish, because I'm not sure if I can send that out of the country. If I can't, I'll just swap it with something else, because I've got like a little stash of goodies that can go in giveaways. But if it's in the UK, then I will leave it as it is. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys.